Matt Furlong with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're taking a look at a brand new 2021 Harris 230 Sunliner Sport. This is a really cool pontoon, nice new setup that Harris has come out with for this year. They've completely redesigned their body lineup with the Cruiser and the Sunliner. Now this particular pontoon is going to be set up as a tri-toon, and this is going to have the blacked out rail package on it. So we're going to have a nice black look to the outside. We've got the sport tower on this edition, as well as matching with that midnight blue. So it's a really great color combination. We're going to have the nice side mounted docking lights, flip up cleats, kick plates, so you don't have to worry about catching your toes on anything. Nice, convenient, safe, all compact. Nice sharp look to it, very clean. You're also going to have quick connects on here for your fenders. This is going to give you the ability to quickly attach and detach your fenders, not having to worry about tying off your ropes anywhere, tying off on cleats. They're going to be right at the right spot for you every time. So let's take a look down the rest of the pontoon here. We've got this side entry door. As we come towards the back, we're also going to have another flip over cleat again. We're going to have our controls on the rear here for our stereo. Also going to have a quick adjust port here for your power. So you're going to be able to plug in. This is set up with an onboard charger, so you can get your batteries charged up if you're out for the day and you wear them down a little bit. Gives you the ability to charge them back up. There's going to be tons of power ports on this boat too, so when it comes to charging your cell phones or iPads, if you want to have those out with you, you've got power ports all over the place to charge them up. This is also going to be set up. We've got our ski tow bar in the back here, giving you the ability to pull tubers, pull skiers, pull wakebirders, go out and have some fun. And it's equipped with the safety rail system here in the rear as well. You can clip off and have it fully enclosed across the back on both sides. Then you're technically legal to ride on the back while you're under power. These here are new for this year too. This is going to be a fender holder. So we've got a built-in fender holder right into that rear safety rail. So a really cool feature. Let's hop up on here real quick and we'll take a look at the inside of the boat. All right, so now when we're coming around the back of the boat here, we're going to have the nice Mercury 200 horsepower engine powering this. So you've got plenty of power to get you up and going, skiing, tubing, getting out and having a great time being out on the water. This layout is going to be our single lounger dual helm layout. So you're going to have the rotating flip over lounger, giving you the ability to really lay out and relax. And when you're under power or just out entertaining, you've got a nice open bench seat across here. A little different setup with having the dual captain's chairs on here. You don't have the wraparound seat, which doesn't really lose any seating for anyone because that corner is fully utilized now. So you've got the two captain's chairs. You can have three across the back. As we kind of come on here, you've got a lot of other cool features. This is going to be set up with the convenience package as well. So we're going to have the movable cup holder on here. The Sunliner is going to be equipped with the armrests built into our front couches here, so you're going to have that as well. I talked about power points and power ports. If you look in between the cup holders here, you're going to have power points for your USB cables in both spots here in the front of the boat. And back on the helm, we're going to have the same thing. Quick connect power here, wireless charging pad, JL Audio upgraded head unit and speakers, digital throttle system on this, so no mechanical cables on here. It's going to be digital throttle, and we're also going to have the Simrad on here. So this is going to be a really well equipped pontoon. A lot of great features to come in and check out on it. Give us a call here at MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota, and schedule an appointment to come check out this boat today.